Today we're going to look at this Novorik 10-inch table saw.
Sure.
I'd like to thank the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a video. All the opinions in this video and words in it are my own. Right now we've got the guard, we have the fence, I think it's called the fence, okay? We have the fence that we're adjusting to cut this 2x4 right down the middle. It's called ripping the 2x4. And it's got a real good tight lock up here, and then it doesn't go nowhere. That's about halfway through. It does come with a push through when you get towards the end, so you don't get your fingers by it. It does have this attachment for angle cuts of some sort. You can read the instructions on that and how to use it. Down here you do have an adjustable angle. You got to switch the blades out. It does come with the wrenches to switch the blades out in there. Blade. Okay, so it can go from 0 all the way to a 45-degree, and you just lock it in place. You get your good 45s on there, whatever you need. It's got mount holes here on each corner for 4 points of contact to a table or a bench at your house. It does come with feet also if you want to put feet on there. Back here we want to point out that you also can attach a shop vac to this, and it will collect your dust better. There's that, good snug in there, and it's tight. Now it's even tighter. Nice and tight and snug. That's good. Let's plug it in and let her rip. Got an on-off switch that's bright green for go, red for stop it looks like. Let's see. Cuts like a dream. Nice smooth cut. That's nice, like that.